Krazy Klean is a chemical-free automated toilet bowl cleaner that utilizes what it calls hydromineral magnet technology to inhibit mineral deposits from staining your toilet for up to a decade. The device is placed inside the toilet tank and claims to keep the bowl cleaner without the need for scrubbing or harsh chemicals. Many users have reported favorable outcomes, highlighting a noticeable decrease in hard water stains and scale buildup after about a month, with some mentioning it helped avoid expensive toilet replacements. However, it should be noted that Krazy Klean doesn't instantly eliminate deep existing stains and is more effective as a preventative measure over time. On the downside, some reviews and online feedback reflect mixed results, with certain customers experiencing little to no change and complaints about return policies that require customers to cover return shipping costs. The product is pricier than conventional cleaners, and there is limited scientific evidence supporting its magnetic stain prevention claims. In summary, Krazy Klean seems to be a genuine and potentially effective long-term solution for preventing hard water stains, but it shouldn't be expected to be an immediate fix for all stains. It's advisable to thoroughly clean your toilet before starting and to set realistic expectations based on user experiences.